Hello, my dear children. Welcome again in English class. Today we are going to start a very interesting topic, and that is your chapter number 16, the gerunds. So let us start this chapter. Before this, I would like to give you two examples. Reading books is a good habit. Next sentence, I love reading books. So my dear children, here in this sentence, reading is formed from the verb read. Reading is formed from the verb read, okay, and here has object books. Here has the object books here. So here, like a noun, reading is the subject of the verb. Reading is the subject of the verb in sentence 1, and in the second sentence it acts as an object of the verb here. Here it is acting as subject reading, and here it is acting as object of the verb here. Okay, so gerunds are verb, okay, that act as a noun. Gerunds are verb that acts as a noun, and they are formed from the verb. And how they are formed? By adding ing to the first form of the verb, like read and reading. One more example, swimming is good for health. Okay, so here also this is called gerund because it is acting as a noun here, and it is formed from the verb swim. It is formed from the verb swim, and we have added ing with this verb swim here. So gerunds, they are the word that act as a noun in the sentence here. Actually, they are the non-finite verb. You know, we have done non-finite verb, which was your previous chapter here. Okay, so they are the gerunds, they are the noun, they are the verb that act as a noun in the sentence here, and they formed from the by adding ing to the verb here. Okay, now let us try to understand the uses of gerunds here, how the gerunds they are used. So here, first of all, try to understand what is subject and object. Let us try to understand what is subject and what is object. Subject are the words which perform some action, okay, perform some action in the sentence. Now my dear student, this subject can be a noun. Subject can be a noun or pronoun. Okay, subject can be noun or a pronoun. So how it is a noun? Let us try to understand with the help of an example here. Swimming, the very first the example which I have written here, swimming is good for health. Next, one more example, smoking causes cancer. Okay, so here subject is used here as a noun. Okay, subject here is used as a noun here. So this noun, it is formed from the verb swim, and smoke. So by adding ing, they both act as a noun in the sentence here. Okay, next is there how they are used as an object. Okay, how the gerunds or these gerunds, they are used as the object here. Like, I'll give you the example here. I love reading books.